Have you ever wondered how the top Amazon sellers find those hidden gems that continue to rake in profits over time? Well, in this video, I'm going to be pulling back the curtain on a secret technique that we call inbox sourcing. And it's going to show you how you can transform your email inbox into a goldmine of profitable products that you can flip for a tidy profit on Amazon. Now, you're going to want to stay tuned until the end here because this could be the game changer that your Amazon account has been waiting for. Whether you are brand new or just getting started, this is something that you can implement right now. So we're here inside of my email inbox. This is a demo inbox that I've set up because I don't want to reveal everything here on YouTube, but it's as good as, right? So this is my demo inbox that I've set up to show you how this sourcing technique works. So the concept is that we set up a dedicated email inbox. So this might give some of you anxiety, right? I've got 6,000 unread emails here, so I can see how that could be a little bit overwhelming for some people. It is for me too. But in any case, the idea is that you set up this dedicated email inbox that you use to purely get promotional emails from your favorite stores to buy from. So I'm going to give you a little challenge toward the end of this video, but for now I'm going to tell you how it works. So first off, what we do is we go ahead and find all the places that we like to buy profitable products from on a regular basis. And if you're brand new, you can take some of the ones that I have here. This is my UK inbox. I have one for the UK, I have one for the US, but in this example I'm going to show you examples from the UK, but the exact same principles apply whether you're selling in Amazon US, Amazon UK, Amazon Canada, anywhere in the world. So like I said, you sign up for the mailing lists of lots and lots of different stores, and you can see here as we scroll through, we've got the game collection, new releases, we've got Costco, £250 off Keta Cortina storage shed, probably a little bit large to sell on Amazon, 10% off your next purchase with HMV, 15% deal is waiting for you, happy weekend. We've got 15% off, I'm not sure why that's coming through in German there, but we have some more deals there, 10 toys under $10 or £10. We have a huge amount of opportunity dropping into our inbox without having to do a single thing. There's work required ahead of time in that we have to go and actually sign up for these mailing lists, but once we do, we have a dedicated email inbox where we just get spammed with some of the greatest deals available on the internet on a daily basis. So if you are starting your sourcing on a new day, you just open up your email inbox and go through and see which retailers are running some of the best offers on that day. It's a great place to start your product sourcing, your product research. So I've got some live examples here. You'll see Playmobil, St. Patrick's Day is here, so I'm recording this St. Patrick's Day. Your pot of gold is just a hop away. So basically they're giving a 20% discount if you spend over a certain amount, and when I went to their website I found out that they're actually offering 30% off when you spend over £80. So I did a little bit of research ahead of time just so that we didn't have to spend too much time back and forth looking at products that don't work, and I found two products from that email. I would not have known about this deal on the website had I not have had this in my email. I opened this up today to show you as an example. You can see they're all unread emails. I haven't done anything with that for a little time here because it is my demo account for demo purposes, just like this for YouTube and for our training program. But anyway, so what I'm going to show you here is how we'd actually go about doing some research. So we've got lots of different products. These are all some of the exclusive. When I click the shop now button, it brought me to this page. There are 403 different products that we can search for on the Playmobil website. So there's a couple of products that stood out to me just because I've seen them. I've seen them before. Some of these others are a little bit more specialist. They're exclusive to Playmobil's own store, but a lot of them are still for sale on Amazon. So the two that I found was this one here. First off, so we'll just open that up in a new tab. So we keep the original there. And when you're looking at Playmobil, it's nice and easy to look it up because all we need to do is grab the item number. And then we can go to, in fact, I have it ready there, but I'll show you just how I would get to that point. So I'd go to Amazon, I'd type Playmobil, and then I'd drop the number in there, the set number, and then we should be able to find the listing. There it is. So it's the exact same set, 9502, and it's currently selling at, well, the buy box price at least is £54.04. So note that we can buy it for 40. So there's already a nice difference between what we can buy it for and what we can sell it for. Now what we need to do is apply the 30% discount. And the tool that we use for profit calculation and deal analysis, BuyBot Pro, it's a Chrome extension that overlays the Amazon product page. You may have seen it before. I'll just zoom in so it's a little bit clearer. So I've dropped the buy price of £40 in there and the sell price of 54. Now you can see that actually that's going to give us a negative profit. We're not going to make any money at that. We'd actually lose £2.75 if we were to buy that product. However, what we can do is go down and apply the 30% discount. So BuyBot Pro has a discount feature. You can automatically apply one of the pre-programmed discounts. 30% isn't actually in here, so I'm going to drop 30% in. And then I'm also going to put a quantity of 3, because if I were to buy those, I need to make up the order value so it's over £80, so I'm going to need to make sure that I buy a few. And we typically buy 3 to 5 of any one unit at any time anyway. So 3 is enough. And when we buy, this is the profit for a single unit, by the way, and I'll show you the total profit for 3 units if we were to buy it. We'd make £9.25 off of every one of these that we sold. That gives us a 33% growth in our original investment. Now, it's not selling huge amounts per month, but it's sold 6 in the last 30 days. If I bought 3 of these, technically I should sell out within 2 to 3 weeks, which is a great turnaround. That's the sort of turnaround that we're looking for. And again, that's why we'd only buy 3 units. So if we did buy 3 units, our profit would be somewhere in the region of £27.74 for this one single product. And if you just think for a moment, I opened up my email inbox, I saw an email from Playmobil where they were talking about discounts, I headed over to the website, and it was literally the first product I went to. I found that it was profitable. Some of these others not so much. To be honest, I didn't check all of them. I saw this Fun Park bus here, and that was the other product alongside the camper here that was doing well. Now, some of these others, they may well work out as well. I haven't looked at all of them. This one just kind of caught my eye, so I'll show you that one as well, and you can see how quickly in just a matter of minutes, really, you can go from leads in your email inbox that have been sent to you by these retailers that you've signed up for, and turn them into profit in just a few minutes. So let's use this one, and we'll do the search once again, and there it is, 51.40. So not selling for quite as much as the other one, but same deal applies. We put 40, and we can scroll down to the discount section. We can type our 30% discount in. This is selling a little bit more, selling a few more units, 9 units per month, 9 units in the last 30 days at least. So a quantity of 3. Once again, we can get a £7.84 profit, 28% growth on our original investment, and if we scroll down and see, where is it now? Here we go, £23.52 if we were to buy 3 of those. So we add that 20 odd pound from the previous example to the 20 odd pound to this, and we're over £50 in profit from just one email that we received. I mean, look how many emails there are. There's a good chance that every single one of these stores has profitable products that we could work with. So you can see how we can very, very quickly turn this into a gold mine of potential profitable opportunities. This is going back, I'm only actually subscribed to a few stores for demonstration purposes inside of this email address. But just to be clear, you can sign up for as many as you like. Now, in our program Kickstart, where we help people a little bit closer with this online arbitrage strategy, we share the sourcing techniques. This is just one of the 9 sourcing techniques that we share in that program. We also give people access to what we call our sourcing vault. That contains over 1,000 online retailers from the US, UK and Canada that we, our team and our clients are using on a regular basis to buy profitable products from. What we invite our clients to do is to subscribe to the mailing list of all of those different stores. Now, you may or may not have access to that. If you're in Kickstart, by all means go ahead and do so. If not, there should be a link in the description that will take you to a presentation that you can watch and find out more about how that works. But essentially, the challenge that I'm going to be setting you in this video is to go ahead and get your email inbox set up. Log into every single day and find these deals, these discounts, these offers, these coupons from your favorite retailers, so that every single day you can just go in and find some new profitable opportunities. Now, if you found this video useful, be sure to give it a like. Drop me a comment below as well, because we always love to hear what you guys think of the videos, and be sure to subscribe for future videos just like this one. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you again next time.